Hello, guys. Hey guys, who's doing your thing? Sorry. Hello and welcome to another Wind Up Wednesday. I didn't obviously.
It is December, so we can officially be like Christmas. I don't know what I'm doing.
Is that what you do?
Every December.
See Saffron walking down the street, just like. But I obviously didn't get the memo, so.
No. I got the treat Rex, the classic jumper that I wear like every year.
Standard. But you're never going to wear it any other time of the year, right? So.
I mean, I'd start wearing it in September if I could. So, for you,
bear with
you're
me.
A rookie.
Bear with me, I'll see what I can find. Be back in a sec. There we go! Look at that! So much better!
So, do you know what? I'm impressed that you found a hat that fits your head. Like, that alone is a win.
Do you know what? I was really impressed that I even managed to find this. I was expecting like bauble tinsel in our Christmas decorations pile. Found the Santa jacket. Brilliant bonus. Yeah. It is a little bit itchy though because it's very dusty. Yeah.
And you got to wear it the whole video.
Oh man, this is a mistake.
It's going to be good.
Mistake. What are we doing, Saffron? Let's get on with this. What are we doing?
Blindfold wrap.
What's the forfeit then? Because obviously it's going to be me that's doing the forfeit.
Yeah.
So what have I got to do?
Well, we don't know because we don't know who the winner's going to be. You guys get to choose who the winner, who the loser is, and you get to choose what the forfeit is.
Oh, brilliant!
So,
sweet.
Yeah, and then we'll do the forfeit in the next video.
Now, can I ask? Right? It's not about who you want to see the forfeit. It's a genuine. Which is better, right? Genuine, which is better.
Yeah.
And Saffron's family's not allowed to vote.
Yeah. There they are. Come on.
The blindfold rap. Let's get on with this. Go.
You sound like you're panicking.
I know what I'm going to do.
I've changed the hat.
Yeah, I've changed mine as well.
Okay, hold on. Oh no.
Don't have a glare. Time. Stop.
Yeah, I heard you carry on rapping there.
Right.
Okay, are we looking?
Yeah, we're looking. It's my cracker. Christmas cracker.
I went for the whole, like, in the top. I was trying to wrap it round, but then I realised there was too much.
Yeah, you did do a lot. I did move your sellotape to see if you would...
Did you?
But you didn't need it at the end, so it didn't work. It did too late. The tactics worked.
That would have been cheating.
Right. Yeah, it would have been cheating.
Automatic disqualification.
So, guys, this is it. Which one do you like most? Which one would you be happy to receive?
Something like that,
that's
show
why I'm not
the other
showing
side.
them.
Show round like this.
No, turn around like this. There you go.
Yeah.
There we go. So, which one is the best? Is it my cracker, or is it that?
Show the other side properly.
Thing. Spin. So look. There we go. Super. Which one would you be happier to? Oh man, I'm gonna sneeze. This flipping thing is so dusty. Right. The vote is on. Which one? Let us know. Comment below which wins, myself or Saffron. We'll put a vote on the stories as well, and then you get to decide what forfeit Saffron will be doing when she loses. Guys, have a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy whatever it is that you're doing, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year with some brand new Wind Up Wednesdays.
Yeah.
She said, "Bye guys, guys, bye, bye guys." Bye!